Hey everyone, Matthew here back with another video, and sorry for not talking right there. And today I will be showing you how to speed up your Minecraft by a lot, or not that much. So, open your Minecraft launcher, and your Minecraft. There. And I'm back. So once you have opened your Minecraft launcher, right click your toolbar and click on Task Manager. And if it's not like this, if it's like this, just click more details. So once you got that done, right click Java and click on go to details. And it'll be highlighted .x. Right click it and go to set priority. Put it on high. To the one in the top two. And this one. Once you got that done, close that. So go to any world you have. And yeah, let's see how this works. You guys getting a little bit of not much lag. 37 FPS. When I'm not recording, I get like 90 FPS, like in the 90s. You can only, and I put my render distance down to 6. As you can see, I'm not lagging much. I don't know if it's lagging for you guys because I'm recording, but yeah. So it looks, I'm not lagging much. You guys can probably see right here. So yeah, take off your Minecraft, and another way to speed up Minecraft is by getting MC Patcher. Now let me get MC Patcher, and I'll be right back. And I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. So once you what's it called? Once you have I'll leave a link to the description below to MC Patcher. It's right here. This is MC Patcher, guys. There's a video too. Just click on, if you have Windows, just click on download. If you're on a Mac or Linux, just click here. So what you guys are gonna do is click on the download button, and it'll download pretty fast. Oh crap. See. So yeah, wait a second. So yeah guys, once you have got that done, once you have downloaded everything, put it onto your desktop and double click it. This will open. Just wait. Just wait for a little bit, guys. Just wait until it gets to 100 and I'll be right back. Actually, let's just wait. It's going pretty fast. So guys, once you have this done, you'll see all of your updates that you have. So now, yeah, once you click whatever update you got, I'm gonna go for 1.7.10, and I'll have to load again because I had it in another one. So yeah, guys, once you've got the version that you want and all that, you're gonna have to click on all of these, and then the button right here, click on patch. So once it's done, you can X out of this and delete that. Okay, then so open your Minecraft launcher. Actually, I'll be back when I open it. So yeah, guys, there will be another 1.7.10 MC Patcher thing. So yeah, once you have got that done, just click. So yeah, once you have opened your Minecraft, you can also do that other trick that I taught you. And go to details. Was it the privilege behind? And then exit out. Now you can go to any world and you won't have as much as lag as the, so see guys, I'm not getting much lag. As you can see, not that much lag. As you can see, any lag, you can break blocks and record. So yeah guys, that's another way is Optifine guys. I'll leave a link to that in the description below, and I'm pretty sure most of you know how to do it, so thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys don't know how to install Optifine, I'll leave a video in the description below. I'll install it, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.